Hi, I'm Philip. I'm the product manager of Congree, and I would like to show you our integration into XMetaL Author. Congree is used to make your writing rules or style guide available in electronic form to be able to check for violations regarding spelling and grammar, style, and terminology in real time and directly while working in XMetaL. Especially style is a real masterpiece, finding complex issues like passive voice or ambiguous gerund constructions. Having an electronic style guide makes sense because it allows the author to focus on high-quality texts without having to memorize rules, look up rules manually, or even manually check for violations. All the author has to do is to react on the automatically generated notifications while text is created. I don't have to tell you that this is something that will save you a lot of time, especially if you focus on rule-based writing. Additionally, Congree also collects and proposes sentences. Everything you have ever written and corrected is shared with your colleagues on site. This has neat side effects like reduced text creation time, reduced proofreading, and of course a significant reduction in translation costs. So after 1 minute of talking, it's probably a good idea to show you something on the screen. What we see here is XMetaL, the editing tool we know and love, but we will also find an additional panel to the left. This is our electronic style guide, helping us to cover as much ground as possible in the rule-based jungle. Whenever I click on existing text, the style guide is immediately triggered and shows all violations it might encounter. Of course, this also works when creating new text. Or whenever I want to check the entire document. I can easily jump through all the notifications and decide what to do with them. I can apply proposals, or I can apply proposals for the entire document. Of course, I can also do manual corrections and see how the system reacts to it. Or I can disagree with certain notifications. Or groups of notifications. A progress indicator shows me how much still has to be done to reach an acceptable quality level. Especially terminology issues can have a huge impact on document readability. That is why Congree integrates a comfortable and automatic terminology research feature in XMetaL. It shows me all the useful information stored in my terminology database, helping me to easily decide how I should react to terminology notifications. In this example, I see the definition stored for this word in the terminology database. As mentioned before, it is not always necessary to create content from scratch. Some ideas repeat themselves in different product versions or product lines. Congree helps you to access similar sentences directly in XMetaL. In this panel, you see all the sentences we have already written or touched in this document, and all similar sentences already available in the company's own on-site database. This feature helps you to express identical ideas with the same words and phrases, thus avoiding additional proofreading. This helpful feature set is of course not only available for XMetaL Author, but also for many content management systems using XMetaL or XMax as an editor, like Schema ST4, FCT TimRS, or Docufy Cosima. This concludes our 5-minute tour. I hope I could give you what I came here for. Thank you. Goodbye.